What's holding you back from experiencing your best health, your best vitality, and your best body?
Not to mention maybe losing a few pounds. Well, we have a 30-day challenge for you that we think will do the trick. It will inspire and motivate you, and you'll be partnering up with some like-minded women who have some of the same goals.
Hi, Robyn and Danna here with Lean, Healthy, Ageless and the authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet.
Well, we're really excited because we've designed this 30-day program and challenge where we're going to partner you up with 8 to 15 other women that you'll be connecting with daily on a phone app that is customized to look at 3 categories: diet, fitness, and mindset. We're using our book, the Eat, Live, Thrive diet, as a foundation, and you'll receive our book, an autographed copy, as part of this program.
You're also going to get some coaching along with this. Dan and I are going to send you a getting started video, as well as we're going to host a couple of live coaching sessions to help you with answering questions. And of course, we'll be on that accountability phone app as well, connecting with you, cheering you on, but also answering questions as you have them.
You'll also get a weekly email with some tips. And again, you're going to be interacting with other women. Every day you get to post an action step in one of those 3 categories and be spurred along by your teammates who are doing the same. You're also going to get a 30-day meal plan.
Of course, the book has tons of recipes, but we're going to include additional recipes in the meal plan that aren't even in our book. You will absolutely be amazed at how you can look and feel better in just 30 days. I mean, your clothes are going to start fitting better, your skin is going to look better, and you are going to feel so much more energetic and vital.
Space is limited, so if you want to be part of this 30-day Slim Down Jumpstart, click the link provided and get registered today.